Alright, so it look like our live now coming. So me go ahead and she can come over here and join me. And as I'm saying, me and somebody will just not like talk. Me have my time, and the most you get out of me when me chat, if me and your friend like this or me and your day, me leg up my mouth and we chat. But me not really talkative when me ready. I'm very antisocial and me just build and stay in my lane. So that's the whole reason why me not ever talk, even when that happen, because me know what me want. Me very premeditative in terms of, you understand, me as a pre-bigger picture. Even with the thing with Spice, with the Magnum and me enter. All of that is because I know that, you know, that was a good strategy where we could have win the competition. Where me could have win the competition because we not talk, people love the drama, etc. As they go for. Just to give you an example, right? But anyway, even with the tall up situation, as she if you send me requests, because I will heap of people in there, me affair go through. Me don't know if you don't notice it, but me know social media, no personal. No past social media people. So if there is some little thing a good on, we can smell it out. I know some bad detective about ya. So me and her never was good, and because nobody no understand. Everybody even no understand. Me no Spice did understand. Diamond nobody, my whole family understand. No matter how them attack and I say Rainbow Spice and he wicked and this. Me just not say nothing because they don't understand. Me and Talop no good because they don't understand. Because just one truth when me did have to talk. And if you no understand the story from the start, you not go get it. So it don't make no sense. Me and her can't agree because she just tell me Ray and me just tell her say, you know, me know what me know. Me a cool on the fire because me have it in my mind say Spice not know the truth, you know. Me don't know if she didn't know the truth or not. Me just know say she hear a thing because and she never reach out certain way, and me try tell her before it never work. And we just basically drift away. But me know say me never tell her the truth what happened. Tall up no know the truth. Nobody no know the truth. So me and her just we can't agree because every minute she tell me, hey, then this, then that, and me just not take it because I have an idea. If me and your friend, hold on, let me see. Me not see the request with Tall up. If me and your friend, right, and somebody tell me say, you know, say Spice, this and that. Remember we are did friend. So me never see that with her as a friend. So people know what say, Ray. Me need the pick side with Talop and me need the pick side with Spice. Me just when just neutral and me just could do better. All when me not in a group, me not take Talop side. Remember me could have take Talop side and me could have go live with her and we could have beat the woman. I did not. Me just build and Lego and remain humble. People have it say, Ray, and me just tell us, I know saw your fight, so fight. So fight you have to know of the strategy, how to approach it. That's why I'm not like read comments, you know, because I get confused now. You understand? So me now know some this me did get them treat me unfair. I mean know said the truth never come up. Me never come on media, me never talk up my things them and gray and Ray and Tay. Me just go and bill and just know say they don't know the truth. So everybody hurt, everybody just a blast out, everybody my sister confused, she upset, she don't know why, she don't know what, she always vex and say, you put Spice over me and Ray because she always ready, she just pick up and ever ready. Let me see if I see her in here now. Alright, let me look for her. Because, you know, as much as me did what for say Ray to Spice, which is now why she understand why me never listen nothing. Me wait for she understand say, Me need to put spice over and me need to pick no side. Me did just know what me know and me did just know better. Me did just know better, say Spice never know what good on her. Me think she never know because, you know, me say it to her the other day and she said she shocked. She never know, so I saw it go. So I in idea now, me just in a me go. One a tear, one left. Spice now say nothing, but me know say a whole heap of things that happen. Me know say, enough time to look come live and I cuss and I go along bad because she hear things from Rebel and if you hear say somebody say something and you work with her and in her team and then you go take it and believe it. So enough time to look not even tell me nothing. She will tell me things, you know, but I know every time she tell me. So she hear something now, she just guess up and get mad and go live cause so she stay. And she go just start cuss and that woman them, I don't know why she not this, I don't know why she not, I don't know what Spice say because any idea me not there around them and I not pick up for nobody. So me can't only talk about what me know about. She always a go all out and go to her way. And me just tired of it. Me just not want to see it. Me not love drama. Me can't take it. Me just can't bother. If me have a problem with somebody and me and you go fight, well, let us fight. Me cannot manage the cussing. I cannot manage the cussing and the back and forth and the who said this and the who said that. See, and Nikki Kromas are coming. Everybody can tell you. When you say if LALL was a person, and no matter how people are try draw me tongue for me talk, me just I hold it done. Cause me know better. Me not gross, so that not for me style. That is not my style. And me just always, certain things me not even make it bother me. All when me know, me just go and like me just ignore some things. Because me know better. Say, cho. Enough time me know some little things. Me know some little premiums. People, all them talk, say things, the feelings, the jealousy. And me just go and like me not see it. Because one not bother me. What you can't face me if you talk it. Yo, too much mix up. Me can't bother. Too much mix up. All me know say me are the most innocent one and me get the fuck. Me get the hardest fuck. For what? I really let me see something. Try look comment me and try look feed for other. Because this a part like I really fear her part where she want to talk about how she did feel about everything. Cause I remember saying me just nah say nothing. Me nah say nothing go, me nah say nothing come. She and the woman at it and a galang and a murder. All Rebel me all talk to and I say like Rebel would say when me tell up this and me say, "Chum, me don't know what doing, me don't know what doing, man. Me just can't bother and rant and this and that." And them always say, "Your sister," but me always say, several brothers, several different mind. When me tell up, I never say Spice so, and all the while she did do it too. But me never know, me always last, me always be the last for know. Me never know nothing yet. Anything pan a mix upside down, people always have to show me because me just not in that world. I'm not that type of person. Me ever last. Me never know nothing yet. True. Okay, me I look for tied up and can't find her. Alright, let me go through the list and see. Because she never, me not see her in the list up in the part when you send requests. Yo, me just feel drained, brother. This is not me. This is not my style. Me can't take it talking. Me no love talk. Me can't take it. Cause any idea what this is going to solve. Nothing. This not going to solve nothing. All these long time bag of mix up and drama from those time. But any idea, people need to hear truth because everybody are going like them are good as and come out and go on like them this and them that and you know, them never do this, they never do that, they never see this, they never do that. I treat somebody alone, me see send me request. Over the invite part, me not sit all up. Me don't know why me not see her. Make sure comment all up. Comment like 3 times in a row so you can pop up. Me loyal to everybody. Me loyal to all rebel. When me not tell us when me love somebody and me loyal to them, me just fool. And I not even fool. I just loyalty. Because I say I'm a friend. I'm a friend. If my friend yam shit, me I go hide it and say, well, that's how you go if you want yam shit, making yam shit. That's how me stay. I'm a friend. Everybody when know me, everybody that's my friend, I just so me deal with them differently. Me no care if you want somebody and I agree, me no go in it. And me no carry bone go over here, so me no carry back over. A whole heap of time me hear say they say things not even day. Come in the ear nothing where rebel say. Until last of lately, a whole heap of things are bust out and a whole heap of things are gone. Where did I talk when me not even know, because remember me from me left team, me just in my own world I do my thing. A whole heap of things me hear say TC say about me, whole heap of people, all I say, all video man pan the set. All video man I say, how you do them? I want make them and I want make them, how you do them make them like you say, I want make them always a chat and I say some things. Me not even want to look at something like that, man. Me not watch the comments to see if they talk. Me just tired of this already. Me just tired of it. Me can't take it chatting. This have drain me. She over there, but every time I try to go and talk up live, it not allow me. Oh, see her there. Everybody vexing me. Everybody a text me. Everybody a say why me never talk. Everybody a say why me never tell them. Everybody a say why me never talk and why me never tell them. Me I try add there, you say waiting that it did say. They say waiting the part when me care about the most. Me not even care about the all who say what. Me not care about that. Every time me try, me go screenshot and make you see. At the bottom of my phone it say waiting for tall up. Me don't know why you not come on. Every time I really think about it. Because me not do nobody no. Not even care with people. Every time I think about it, me just feel a way, brother. Or me just go down just like that. And the man come and make it look like say. She don't know me hurt. Yo, me not done with this so. So make him go and bad up, talk up your mouth. Talk the things then go on with yourself. More charge for you. Cause more you chat you fuck you and you tell a lie and you ring up pay, more charge for you. Me always quiet. Me always in a me zone. Me always a meditate. Oh, to make a better fucking life. And me got pitney from me young. So me always mature in a me thinking. Ask anybody. Ask Harville. Me go around there. Me go around Harville. Harville respect all me reason. Cause me just different.
Oi.
Yeah. Mm-hmm.
General, me can't tell you, say. Me can't tell you, say. Me just feel like you should attack and tell me faster. But as me say, you know how you feel, you know where you go through. All we can say is you shoulda, woulda, coulda. That no do no way, that not go no way. And what we supposed to do now? We need for just jump on this situation. Cause me hurt long time, you know, me hurt so till me can't hurt no more, till me can't do nothing, me can't say nothing. All me want to tell you the God living truth. All me want do, I just see that man and doing something. That alone, that in my heart. Me not tell nobody no lie. But you know what me go do? All we have to do is go about it the right way. Him I forget to him again. Me just go look on the mix up page and me hear my talk about me fuck danger and he done a reality and fuck her in a hear him to an Europe come and me fuck her in a everywhere, the whole of the whatever in a several. If you go tell lie, just tell it better no man. Or if you fuck danger in a every in a part every show in a every this and that. Better you just say you fucking me one time and hold on pan a lie. But when you go say you fuck the girl in a
Exactly.
every room, camera must be at the place and me need the
Also
people
my
that want
time them also my time them we not even have time for ourselves. When we reach a one place we have to murder ourselves, run go ready, kill off ourselves. Sometimes
Jana,
we
I
not
mean,
even
no,
get no
but
rest.
what
We
make
have to
can I
jump on the
never
next
try that?
flight.
Oh, why him never try them something they when me there on? Me no know oh
No
your heart never tell of it try when me Rona you when tell me can tell me same try something like that when me when apart at inside some when know say incapable. So from then time them would have their team up. Cause from then time they can you see when with uno anytime uno see some people have some strong people around them when not take foolishness and do everything to fight them out. I no always wait till them know they run for no do
no, but he knows say me vulnerable. He knows say me have he remember say he knows say me have me pitney, you know. Remember, you know.
mm-hmm.
He knows say me have me pitney, so he knows say me need the job. He knows say me want it. He knows say me want stay. He knows say me
Listen, no
need that.
tap call me when you see me on the live, man. Go, no, me no, man. None of you never want call me before I know the whole of not call me, no. Avoid bumper rascal at me, man. You no think me want talk, me can't bother with this, you know, me dey on me journey. And me career, and none for no run up over this way, none when we are in danger, enter, nothing. When we are sing, when we are dance, when we are do thing, none of no run up over this, so no just allow me to, you know. Actually, we have to talk, make we attack because we are public figure and every you understand? So what me I try to tell you, eh?
The artist part where the artist part where link me when the man come and make it look like say I'm me are the bad person.
Janaya at that
Because
bond because when me say me ask him what up, me my body and when me ask him what up,
it me I say look how when you ask him
the
he
man say
never
no. He deny up things and say no no go so at the end of the day. You don't tell me say no go so oh yeah come out a contact say something go so why you never tell me to me face say yeah me fuck your sister. Tell me say you fuck my sister.
but
So at the
last
end
night me get mad and me send him couple voice note and he no answer. Why make he never answer me?
what
Why
make
make
he
him they
not answer
talk?
at
Why
that me
make
I
he
say
not talk
there
go
is no
live?
trace. There is no trace we and Canary in a conversation about them. There's something. So why problem? What me want to know is when me went confront you and I ask you why you never just bad up and talk to me and just talk your mind
Yeah,
and say
why
what
you
you
never
say.
tell us say
Since you're
yes
so
he fuck
brave,
me? Why
you
make he
never
when I
yet go
deny
and
it
say
to
yet, you know,
you?
well, I know, me never see him ask and go and say yet, you know, for the most part, him always reason good and I deal with me
What a
good. So, What give you this
Me a
braveness to
take the
jump up
food.
in a the argument? Just to you like bring down your baby mother. You just want bring her down and have things to say. And your time now, sir. Stay on one side and wait till your name blood clot call no man. When you jump up and then you enough up and you try twist everything by your bow. Yes,
He
it
no care. He no care. So he just want dirty up the one. Cause you know when them a cuss, they no business. Then go
then I
all
mean
out
but
and
me I
then do the
say
most.
what me I say is why which door you come to? Nobody no call your name never
Because
calling at
look
this.
how when you ask him how you go on. Cause me just sorry say we still not have them there. Look how you cuss and go and tell our Spice get vexed and I say, look how your sister. They got an advice note and we
You
ungrateful and he
remember?
can't forget when he take we from Mobi. And me I say in idea Spice. She vex and you know say she go talk upset and and this and that and me not ungrateful because me remember everything like it was yesterday.
No,
So
but look at it. Me never wrong it. Me never blood clot wrong. At the end of the day, you never take with our mobile. We end up going mobile in a where the man name expression, and it's so be that we dance with you on a stage show before. And your sister we bother you been a talk about it. Then when we got expression now with Arvin them now, you see we for some reason everything connect because of God work and we did for there on you. For make feel life better and feel your career better. So now make it look like say is a board party thing. Everybody will help everybody yes. So at the end of the day, Mobi is a city by itself, but we done
no
the and good
member
faith
saying
with.
no wait there. Fi clarify the part them member saying no uh expression them she did a go
Yeah,
use
Renee
first.
party. Yes.
So member say me first. It was all me cause me as me I tell
But
you
are
me just
you remember you
me
me come
always
remember
want
say me
God
never
tone.
remember say me never interested. Are you remember coming in? Remember say are you beg me and tell me say me fi come
Yes.
with you.
Me
Remember me
look no
never
it
business
let me
about
tell
you
you
know.
why me never send nothing because me did value. You ever no come like when you send in one application for one work or one college and all that look
Uh-huh.
forward to get the call for got you. Cause
Uh-huh.
remember say me sit down and type up the text right now we can dig up Instagram and text when we text Arville. I'm telling you
Jana
some
you
want be a part of me
remember.
interested.
Remember say you
Arville tell me say
so,
Spice I look girls and Spice I recruit girls and then go use um feed them girls so them want more if we have place a stone town if me that interested and like if
you
me have
remember how we
nobody
back
else. I remember
town?
some me I
I
say to
wonder if you
you,
remember oh me listen up. I wonder if you remember oh we butter town.
of
I wonder if
course,
you remember we
before me
anger
rent
people
now me
out
I
for
have
well
no
I
way.
remember
A
say
people
before
you
we read
already
now we
catch.
are people here already today and I want blood clot. Remember say one night time we there I want house, you know. One piece of zinc house we catch up at one
Yeah,
part, sun would have eat up. Remember sun would have eat up the zinc house and we are dead and we are laugh. We have to take the whole situation, make joke every minute cause we just want make it. We don't know nobody at all we come from mobile. We have to take the disrespect and the struggles and then we just have to beer things. You understand? So the opportunity we did well want to when Avila yesterday room and I say, all right, sister, me I come with you, I will fuck up the place. And we did fuck up
Yeah.
the place. So what
I
is the
remember me did say
problem?
it to Diamond, Diamond end up never come, but I didn't me and you.
Mm-hmm.
Remember when the man say if you have place at town, me say yes, I when me not have no way.
Me
I
may
did
have
one
no
girl me
way.
know. One girl me know, but me I say me can't make this opportunity a pass me cause a long time me want go town, so me willing to go
Mm-hmm.
catch up with the girl.
Remember a long
Until
time
the
we have
girl
said, remember a long
when
time we
we
have said,
are
if we there town, oh, we think I got take off. 'Cause
oh
remember
God,
when
when we
we
sit down
knew
and
how we
watch
bad, you know,
town and know what we could have do. And
what we
then
could have do.
we get the we catch the girl now and then this on our work out and then Stacey say we could have stayed.
Oh God, I Stacey a good girl, cause Stacey put me up
Boy,
clean.
no
Hey,
laugh.
Janaya, you remember how much time me need dig out me bus made but sit down with some now come back.
And when you say nah come back and me a dead me nah let go cause damn me did want go this so. Remember say and me was like and me
Remember
we did
say,
truly want
me say me now come back. Remember enough time. Spice can't tell her enough time me call her say me now come tonight and then me look check her start hear me a come.
me say
I said me broke up
me
and
go
so me say me
all out
now
because
come
me
me
did
go back.
passionate and me did want tea. And me
Janaya
get
with
it
the
so, oh, me
what?
I go let it go so, oh, me go
Janaya
let it
with
go so.
especially you. Remember say me when I got, remember say me did remember say same time I get scholarship. Remember me they got GC and then me get the scholarship for go overseas the time. So me know say me ain't go last in that because that are never my interest. But me did well want it for you. You
I remember
understand?
say me want that long time I would there at the place and me not bash nobody and me not ungrateful, but me I tell you say we uncomfortable and the heat would have kill we and we are say no man we can't manage and then Stacy say we can't stay.
Yeah, when it look
And
bad,
then me go up on
yes,
the
sister, we can.
tour.
Oh God, Jesus, said he would have kill it.
Woo! Then me go up on the tour.
Hey, Stacy, go overboard, you know. Hey, me not lie, me not lie. Still, I see, you know, say everybody have their ways, but every people have there's a lot of good out there situation and bad. But me not lie, Johnny, if you know, so we fight so hard and go so far in this, my sister.
And
The
it
man
me I
too
tell you.
evil. I mean, make
Wolan, me did a Wolan, me did a Wolan, cause me know say me just want go through. Me just want go through, me not say nothing to nobody, me not say nothing to me mother, cause me know me mother stay. Anytime nothing go wrong, the first thing you love chat about, come on your yard, you better no come on me yard. But what is,
everything I
remember say
come.
mo be in the
Yeah,
key.
yeah, we are told. Yeah, we. The mommy, you go, yeah, mommy, come here, yard.
Come on your yard, and remember say mo be in a keep, so me no want go on me yard.
Come
Me no
here,
want go on me yard, cause
yard.
mo be in a keep, cause I pay promotion dancing me a fear do done ya. All when me win dancer queen promotion dancing we never pay. And when I put me to the world and I turn the pandy spot there, I turn the where the next one there where video? The
Janaya,
2 grand. Remember we
come
are see
here,
Anika,
yard.
remember all of them sitting there go viral and we know we potential and we are saying no man, yes so is the place. We want
Janaya,
get a piece of up
remember
there so.
saying no, remember saying no. And we are the two bodies thing, pan 2 foot, nobody ever see worse when we combine up the remember half a dancehall style, them most of exhibition them. Me and you build so exhibition and so dance when a normal, you know. Remember chance I'm on a normal, indicator on a
I
normal, robot
remember,
wine and
remember,
normal.
remember first we know head tap and then we see Nikisha and we see all of them and we are saying, no man, we want a piece of this too, cause we
Mm-hmm.
have it.
We have it.
And we have it and we want that piece of that
We want to
spotlight.
let
Yeah,
it
cause
go.
everybody want boss and everybody want make money, everybody want utilize. If you have ambition, that is where you want to go. You go dream bigger
Mm-hmm.
and dream
No,
better.
because you see,
So that was
Kingston is the dancer, is where dancer created and was made. Like it's Kingston, and that's where the opportunities are. So even no doors are opening all over. You're not Africa town again, but in them the time they you did Africa town. No anybody about anywhere because you have social media. Them the time they never have social media. You did half of their town in a little
mm-hmm,
video them because the only video man in Montego Bay was Scrappy. Scrappy go all
mm-hmm.
about Scrappy alone when they are be. We did one piece of town to a Scrappy alone usually make people know we are see we are know say we bad. Scrappy dance
Remember
a
Spice
regular
bust out
song.
and Spice a artist and you hear say you go dance to Spice. You not say no. You not care. You not business. You
Exactly.
not say no. You
Fuck I
not
go
say
say
no. And they
no.
say you want go and the woman a travel and you want travel. Me just a get me first flight. Me never know if me would have fly in a life. I'm going at
Me
the
must
team
say
and
me
me
a
just a
fly
get me
long time
fly.
before you. Me must say me a fly long time before the whole and I telling if I running days and I telling about flying, you know. And me I say girl
Remember me
flying
never
and this
fly
and
and me
when
well want fly. Everybody, every dancer dream, they want fly. They
you
want
want
go
fly,
friend. They want
you
dance. They
want
want be
fly.
somebody. They want make money. They want be somebody. Me not even
You want
laugh.
fly.
And then after we come from tour, the first tour and everything, me take my money and me buy bedroom set and me buy everything a little young girl would I
Everything.
need and me rent one little place. And then me
Oh
just
God,
hold on
remember
and
the
I do
place?
me things
Stop that
same
now.
way.
You remember when we get the place of rent? The first thing you
Me go
say
to
rent
all
it
kind of money friends the house at town. Me hold on some liberty and me hold me own. Just for just be great one day to blood clot.
is. Janaya, me just not, what me not understand, like, all are we in this world, like, we fight with each other. Why we still so, like, everybody have one goal to be somebody great and come out of the slum and just make it. I want to do, make it to do a fight done people. All who up there still a fight, all who done there still a fight. What is this big crab in a barrel mentality? Me tired of it.
Me never fight out no dancer. Me never give nobody no
Janaya,
form
no,
of
we don't do them.
bad. Me
Ask
never.
every dance
All me
about
do,
we. Ask every dance about we. Ask
me give
everyone
them
them can tell how we see.
advice. Me
Especially
give them
me.
advice and me tell them what to do and me give them idea and me show them. Are you ever then you out their ears? Or when me not talk to them, or them who can
I
talk
me
to
love
me
them I say
first.
me people person, you not
Remember
talk to
say they
me.
don't know me like that because they always a pre me say me not chat to people and me this
I
and me
me
that.
talk to
And
people,
you
so me and
always
them
they
talk
chat to
like
them
that.
and enough time me I tell us a girl leave them alone because
And they
sometimes
no good.
people are wicked.
I
Can you
still
help
like
build
them.
them
I
and
still
then kill
talk to
you?
them. I still, all when them a slaughter, murder me still I help them. And that a my fault now. Me is miss help. Cause I come like me like to blood clot help. You ever watch the help? I me that. All when all when the for them ungrateful, and enough of them still this, and enough of them still that. Me still attack like a
Me know when
counselor.
me go through
Me
figure
still a
a town
help
and stay
them.
a town out till me finally all now me never get a good righted peace of mind a town in and when me rent and did them. Me hold
Jana, you
on a town. Me hold on a
remember
town
say,
because me know what me did want.
Jana, you remember say me and the landlord again, of me have a bust up the landlord blood clot in our own house again, car you know, you remember? The things them where
Yeah.
we go through, people no understand, so we always have to fight and a defend ourselves and a try to survive out of this
To
thing.
me not talk and me humble people just always go like
They
they want
don't
to take
know.
advantage like me a idiot. Them just always want draw me out in a wickedest way. For what? Because to me just easy.
No, not that.
Me just
Another thing,
easy.
no, another thing, no. Great man always a go get a fight. Try be yourself and them say your hype. Low women we do what we like. Ragging king never say a better thing. Jana, I remember say few with talent and no normal, you know. So guess what? Me when no say it ain't go easy, I really go get fight, but me ain't no say I did so wicked. Me ain't know when go to your so till it got so far where them a bring we done and we just come in with peace. We come in a dance hall and do so much we dance hall with peace. We so entertaining. The whole Christy family are we entertainment. Me, you, Daima, Tija. The one that we bring so much joy and laughter to social media entertainment world, and it's like me no understand how no ungrateful and fucking stay so like me no know what do no like you no can't look for things and just speak sense like you no just love
People are
problem,
say
love
why
mix
me
up.
never talk out at the end of the day. As me tell you
Janaya, but where
before.
you go talk for you just not you not talk and you not talk and what? What uno do?
Enough
Look how much
time
time
when
you get rape and not talk.
enough
Look
time
how
your
much
mouth get
people
in
get
a
no, I
problem.
know you
Enough
are the
time people
first
mouth
never
get in
talk.
a
Well
problem.
I know you are the first never talk. Look how much people out of 10 bumbo clot get raped and not talk. So only not ask them what make them not talk. No things that make people talk. No
And then
situation happen enough
after the
time make
man do
people
and do
talk.
and the man say me no fi say nothing and nobody say nothing to Spice cause Ray. After the man tell me fi no say nothing, the man run. Him first, run broke him head way, run gonna talk, say yes or that thing do. Me fi delete the message them and that the man say cause Spice we take your phone and search and look and want to see whatever. Me I tell you say me the screenshot some things. I just true me never understand about phone then time. Them never know how to
Sorry.
save.
No,
And me
because
lost that
remember say
phone
them
there.
something them time the receipt may not keep. And no receipt I keep. Me just sorry say all of we were they talk and I talk about this, that. All we need to do is get to the bottom of this and make sure say it go to the law. The law, bring it to the five hours, bring it to the purpose called the blood clot Power Rangers Panda one as I would have said. God Power Rangers. Because listen, this need for fix. All
When
we
me
not say,
really hear me
should have
say
talk,
come like
should
me
have talk. The
stop
girl
me
talk, no,
traumatize me
what?
and then worse how the man talk before me. Remember me are the victim and he come talk before me. That just
Mm.
kill me chances again for talk me truth. He come like me
You
shot
can't
me
kill a
traumatize
chance.
everything.
Truth
No, me
or
mean at
truth.
the time when me hear
Yeah.
it, right? Me just come like me just gone in a one place like me I say, really?
Who
What
the
and
fuck? What you
then
mean by too
me
late
I
for
try
law?
get to spice
Father God
and
law the
then
biggest law. Not too late for law. You see, God law are that we work with. We don't work with man law, society law. Father God law the work are the biggest law. So I don't know you come and talk about too late. Whether danger want talk them time there or no, the truth are the truth and she talk now. So what the problem?
me
Eh?
didn't know.
One
Remember,
problem.
alright. You remember one thing when me always I tell us say all when me just come out of a group and yeah cuss and the whole I know I cuss and me just nah say nothing. Remember me just nah say nothing. Me just I say sure.
It
You
burn
know
me for the
because me
most
know
part when
and
me hear
then
you,
me
when
I
me have to
say
have up you for the most part of this
one
because that's
time me
like
say
I you know. As
one
your diamond
time
say me. hate the whole situation. Make me and you have to at it and for the whole time vengeance in my heart. Come here, I feel like y'all put it on. No little situation where you put me in and me feel like where me know say and on my argument me buy out and fi know say I just you and me pick up because you know say every time me always ready. Me no business whether truth, right, wrong, false. Me just want know for you say Ray, me ready. You know say if I war me first a fling liquor, me a fight and me no business. When it come to my family, everyone in my family them know say me ready. Like I don't care. I am always ready. So when this go down now, I mean know
Yeah,
about it.
especially when it come on to me. Cause remember say no say me no we talk. Me we do what me
Mm.
I do, but me not talk. You and I ever ready for cuss. Cause I know how me stay.
Because you know cussy, remember you
Me
know
like me
talky.
have to get they have to really draw me out in a one little way or some
Jana, you
stay.
can't
Me
even
no
cuss
boomy.
good.
I am
You
not
can't
boomy
even
and me
cuss.
no jumpy.
But listen, now you can't even cuss to tell her the truth. The way you not talk, if you cuss, you sound weird. If your child scream, I don't like me
Remember
when
me
mouth
not
big
have no
and loud.
voice. Me
You can't
can't
even
remember me
talk
not have no
loud.
voice. Me
You
can't
can't
even
even, you
talk
can't
loud. Me
hardly
can't
talk.
even
Even
shout.
though you talk, you
It
can't
just come
even
like
talk.
one little pitney. Like make no sense. Remember, when uno a kill up and I say, Ray, and I go and I cuss and I vex boss spice and me just I say, me not worry myself. What me normally say to me not worry myself. Me go live for see the whole of them turn over. Me go live for see the shit turn over because me know say that never genuine. What I left behind never genuine because this is somebody I post up say best friend and when best friend back turn best friend I get robbed. So I know the vibe and the energy that was there. Me just know say remember we know how it go already. Nothing never true. Nothing never
And
true.
I remember saying, we
Remember saying I
always in
last
the
time
dark.
when we
Remember
did a
saying,
Avi Convo. When we did a Avi Convo, like things when I talk and TC I say like TC, I tell me say Spice say back things to her when me tell
yeah,
her
yeah.
where remember say me not tell them then things then not even uno me not tell things
That's
cause
time I
Spice was
went
my
tell her,
friend
and then when you come to
and
me and say to me, them time that when I did that one and two things, and me say, Jana,
yeah.
I me tell her, say, don't trust the woman because enough things me hear back and me I tell her say, oh the woman, remember you when say something and I me alone know and she and I could me go
Yeah,
carry your business
me
out
still
of the
never
world.
I when they
And
tell
would
me
have never
car
do
when
that
me
and me I
hear
say, oh
me
she
still
know that.
never that pay
And
that
this
no
so
mind.
but at this so you start to observe for yourself so she really have something more talk. Cause you say me I say girl stop telling woman everything now me and them I say my girl you don't know this woman for Adams they are confiding in a woman stop telling woman everything because she go back to them. Oh them I know them things have come back to you. Just you trust the woman so much any little thing good on you say it to her and you're insecure or you try to protect her.
I rebel never
She
in our
not
group
protect you.
that the time they when that incident they went and with one boy. I didn't me and TC alone and me did say it to her.
She not protect you,
And she did
Janaya. Me
say it
tell you,
back to
say, you
TC
are
and me I say
loyal to a
TC could
woman
never
when
know
not
that cause
loyal to
as
you.
she alone me say it to me not even say it to none of my family them. So you know
Yeah,
all
me
when
wait.
people I'm
My thing
still
is,
just loyal and just
listen up. My thing is, what me always I say, you're the confide in the woman and the woman. Remember say you well wrapped up, tied up, tangled up in blood clot, Jesus with she because to all you're loyal to for your friend them. And you don't aspire as a friend and the opportunity where you get that everything was so overwhelming. Me understand
yeah,
that.
and me did just grateful and appreciate it because remember me is just a person when not ungrateful. Me
Me
appreciative and
know
stuff.
that. That's why me say
And
it
when
did
people
get
do good for me, me acknowledge it and I never forget that. So I
it
just
did
that me
get to
live.
but you can't but you have to, it did get to a point when you see say no. You see proof say no the woman is not all what you think and me I say open up your eye all me a beg and a
No, cause
try for
member
your
say no,
best.
member said that me never get enough proof. Cause just that alone. Cause member say TC would have the whole things what she
But
said too. So I
member
know like
say,
me I hear nothing. I just like
member say, me
one
a hear things and me out the road cause I am not in Team Spice at that time. Me a hear everything on the outskirts. Me they all over the world and everywhere. Me a hear things from people. At the same time, me a tell us, Janaya, just be careful because you can't trust the woman cause for some reason, me feel like say she a care back your name and so said so done. Me and Diamond said the same thing we a said, Janaya. Remember him already said, Diamond said, Janaya. Top tell Spice your belly and top tell Spice your business because Spice a go back go chatty and it a become one mix up with the whole on. So Instead of the whole be one uno go segregate because the whole no end up as say things about one another and Spice as the big artists are care back things within the group. Or if you no lead by example, all your things say you Rebel and TC are gonna be one and things are gonna go good. When we were war, remember say when we were war, that's why I tell us at the time, remember say I found in time that me have off. Remember say when me join peace with share them, and the woman asked me what me I do and sit and link me when me there find the woman begs with me and don't talk to me. Remember, remember fan from. Remember say, oh me know say that woman is not a good. Remember me not just get up and hate people, so girl. Oh me love people. I me did like the woman cause she full of vibes and she love laugh and something like me. But when me start looking to things now, remember say, when me didn't join peace with Sharon, me say, girl, me tell you that I'm media foreign and me I get draw into it and this big internet and me I say, girl, don't get too much into it and me we join peace and me see Sharon foreign and me say, sure, reality and me and Sharon join peace and everybody good and Rennie and Nikisha and the whole we talk on phone and me say peace, cause you know me stay already, me easy if you forgive and got you. Spice not talk to me. Remember Spice not talk to me. Johnny, remember me come a Sunfest and
Yeah. I tell you say we are only careful. What happened to
somebody a call me, no just
the
build no
way
man. Remember say me
me I
happy
tell
for
her say
see
we
you.
all me no want slip up. If Spice and somebody no talk, me no talk to them because
Janaya,
just
me
some me
know,
stay and
Janaya,
me
member no
loyal and
wala
me
no.
just
Janaya, member say, when me come at some fest spice, no deal with everybody tense. And when me call you at the tent, no, it's like me can't talk to my own sister. Them I say, this
them
track
vex
when they
with you
fuck up
like
on the stage, them say, and me at this track, when fuck me finna see my sister how much years I me go under the tent when me usually be a part of the team and me I hug up everybody and I spice I go like she no acknowledge me and not see me. I know I make me
yeah.
feel some type of way like me a
And me
pussy one
need to
and me
come
do
out there
something
to
good.
you.
Me do something
And
good,
when me
me say
done
peace.
work, me fi come
I
for you and
say,
acknowledge you and
make the girl them. Remember, she say, we
drop.
pop fight and make the girl them bring her down and beat things. All right, we take the blame for that. We fight, don't the argument. Then now, me say now me go fix the peace with the girl them kind of look good on the whole of we are dancer. So, oh, me if you say peace and you vex with me and not deal with me for that. Eh? Why me not feel blood clot not like you? If you vex with me, if me do something good, I mean, and I like me chat you with the girl them, no, me rate you same way I do your thing, but guess what, me is not a fighter. Me not like, me defend myself, but me not give problem and me not just make problems. So, me want peace in my heart too, and me did always want the whole thing with we and share them done, because we not even know how blood clots start, to tell you the truth. You get me? We don't know that, so that just be a dashwood, that we not even know where the
Yeah, cause
fuck
we
we are
come up
fight
in
for.
it. I remember say we come up and we in a one team, we loyal to a team. We don't know if them and somebody are war, we and them are war too.
We just
I
know
just
so we
so
pick
it
up the
said.
big because we the part of Team Spice and true as you say we loyal to the woman, anything or anything and we don't know share them for Adams then time there. And at the woman we are
Mm-hmm.
dancer, what the fuck we go do? We must buy it out. But if you reach to a point where me say done here so and then me say
But
peace, oh you
I
forget
remember say
to
Stacey
that.
and them never talk to. You will remember say expression and them never talk. So we just
Yeah, but
stay
you
upon the
can't vex
side where
with
we
me to make
depend.
my own decision. You can't feel away if me say peace. If you feel away, if you hear me say something, but you never hear me say nothing, boy. You. So how you go be? You make me feel away. I feel a fucking way. You feel away, me feel away for that. Because if me do something good, till me a question myself. Because to we did read the woman, I remember Johnny and me I say, I wonder if me do something wrong, fit talk to the girl them. Me feel so bad. So till the God in me say, no, you not do nothing. And the right thing I do is suck up me just be at peace with myself and say, you know what, me no business if she no want to deal with me, because you're no blood clot, God. Eh? Me not kiss your
Me
ass.
just always never want to slip up. Me just stay in. I eat me I try show you say run out of frying pan in a fire. Or same thing they run from me run straight go buck up back in it and knock out. Because sometimes better you just dance to the music and just face it, yeah, man. Cause me I
But
tell
I
you
did
say
show you, say, I did show you and
when
prove
you
to
live fi,
everybody,
yeah,
say,
me I tell you say better you live to prove yourself. Cause some live to please yourself. Cause more if you try live to please people, you then can never please.
that's how
Never,
you
no
see me
matter what you
please
do.
myself and me talk my truth all the time, me talk my truth, and the
And
truth
people
shall
go do
set
what they
you
want to do
free.
regardless.
Well, yeah, regardless, them I go
Or
eat
when you
who
go
don't
out of
like
your
me like.
way.
All right now, Who go like, who not go like, we continuous not go like, it no matter, cause people have their favorites, and I understand that. But you see me, nobody will never force me feel, make me, make uno like me, uno can't make me feel no way about what me no feel no way about, me feel away when me feel away, or me feel away, me bex, or me bex about, and me cuss, or me cuss for, and me no buy out people business, and me no mix up, and no, never hear me take up my life and I call Spice name, and I done Spice, and I talk, but no, never hear me take up my bumbo clad self a sing song about the woman and call her name. If me went so much one bus and a music me a do. Me could have blood clot call Spice name and robot Spice cause me so bad for blood clot lyrically war Spice. Me bad for lyrically war Spice. And me tell myself say everybody I look clout for this woman. Me no want no clout for her. Me no want bus her for her. Me not call her name for no bus. Me no want that because I am that talented to go through patiently till my time. Me no want to do that every time Spice. Then anytime me cuss out blood clot Spice. No when they call his name to me pana anything, anytime I go live and them I say, Talo, Spice this, Spice that,
you
I'm
know,
tired now.
you know, because you know the girl that come to you come tell us said the woman that said this and that and sitting. So you go back and you come and you talk. But
Every
them me not
minute the
know them.
girl tell me the things them same way to so. Want to take me from me? I eat that after me not afraid of people. Because just sit down make money not like me and I call me down and people that do me things. And me feel just sit down and me not go talk about it. And me feel love them and like them and me not love woman. I want me to do. Run down people, me not run down nobody, my family big, you know. If you don't like me not like couldn't neither no matter to me, me deal with me. And little fan base so me have me alright with it. So at the end of the day, don't we not look no cloud. Uno see say, uno know say danger humble. Uno everybody knows say me and danger two different personality. Uno know say me outspoken and talk my mind. Danger truthful, danger quiet, danger confide, danger everything, and danger me and danger two totally different personality. You understand? So at the end of the day, no can expect danger go just brave up and come out come chat. So everybody different. And danger knows if he went tell me would have so vexed because when done a call him and I done him and the vice note and me done rub him out. Me did so
You
vexed.
never know, because if you know you would go to the man and I say all of that.
Exactly. Me never know if me were no mood. If me were no mood if I ask him no. If me were no mood, I say batty nasty raper boy. Remember me fly, you know. All these things. You understand? So if me were no mood, I take up your words and then guess what? It would have big fan entirely. I true danger no like feud and danger no like the whole internet. Yes, so drama, danger no, I know danger talk. Danger no go internet wise and talk. Danger no do none of them something. And me love talk and me love to talk. Me love live. Me love the whole entertainment because me is just like that whole mood. You understand?
Why? I just feel away because I don't do nobody nothing. I work hard, I go to my way, I'm loyal, I do my best, and then fight me out, kill me at the show. I don't get no visa, fling me on my head and just
You know, they didn't no blood clot show. It's time live for blood clot, tell it tears. You can't, this can't kill you. This can't kill you uplift for you dead in a show. You know they didn't no show because God are going everybody are gonna live to see the truth too. You know they didn't no show the star live to see the fucking tail.
I know a whole heap of things and its story never been told and a whole heap of things where people they cover go put on the clothes. Where people they cover up. There's truth when enough people not talk. I just that's my problem. Enough people I think everybody have a little honey night and guilt. So some people don't really want to admit say yes because they don't want people bash them and say, yeah, wicked because you fight out the girl and you make the girl a visa or whatever. So everybody don't want to be genuinely honest with themselves. But you mean want me genuinely honest?
Remember me
I
say Spice agency. Remember me I say the whole other Spice that a Spice have Spice can't even give you no visa. You bet you not get a visa card. Me could have make a get too. Remember me I say
always ask me about it and me just
visa.
take one me ear. Me just take one me ear
because
because
Spice entertainment visa
wait till me get more stamp. I remember me young and me don't know nothing, so me just wait till
No,
me get
girl, and
more
I saw you
stamping
go
on my
for your
book. Me never
artist like
understand.
Spice. Them you have for your apply. Remember, Spice the artist long time ago. I think she applied for the entertainment so she can carry up to 12 people. So Uno could have been get visa. Remember me
But me
always
know
I
say
say,
something
oh,
did
you not
fishy,
get
you
your
know, but cause
visa.
Franny man say tell her say finna make the dancer them not get no visa. That is kinda like a nail pan the head. So me I say, oh, cause
That's
everybody
how she
always
did.
that was the
But she this as
question
bad.
of
You can't come and
the
world
la
and come and
that
listen to man everything when man say so you easy to
that was
lead.
the question, the $1 million question where everybody all ask me, but me just have to give them what me get. Wait till me get more stamp.
Janaya,
What me fi
me
do?
could you know me know say something wrong. Enough things reach me too, you know, to me not talking, you know. You see me break down other day upon lava blood clot live and say me tired for me at two them a fight me. Enough things reach me. I just chew me strong and can't hold it like a G and me not talk. But me I try to tell us yes, if I me see all you go through Spice agency, them are all sign up visa fear people them a deal with that. Deal with blood clot 10-year visa fee and you can't get that. And not even
Yeah.
entertainment 10 year. And I feed them agency and you know get that something blood clot wrong. Because you cannot travel with
Yeah.
big artists or you're a big dancer and you can't get a visiting visa. Cheryl get that, me get that and blood clot Anika head top get that. You understand? Me
Mm-hmm.
get mine for school days for running, but Anika and share them have their entertainment plus then get them blood clot visiting because eventually if you travel that are easy something forget.
Me
You
did shock, cause me
understand?
never did I expect that. Me never did I expect. I remember my book full of stamp. Me go all over the world. So when me go on now, I me not get no visa. That shock me, cause me I say. And then member say them refer me to the woman where them say she a agency or whatever she do them something. So me expect some my thing good and cement and set now and
My
ready
girl,
and
you not even
seal.
remember say you got blood clear in a netball and you figure foreign and you alone not get your visa again. You forget? It come like you're blind if you're dumb to
Me no
reach
go.
you. You're not going to play netball and if the whole team gone and you alone then turn back. Or if you turn your back, are you a big blood clot dancer, you been a travel. Something not have to wrong. Or if you turn back,
Yeah.
danger for foreign. Something have to wrong. Them foreign want to see you. Oh, you
So no
forget
it me
turn
I
back.
say.
Oh, you fear get
Why?
turned back.
And me
Out of
know me done me
everything.
tired right
Oh,
now. Me not
you
fuck me.
fear get turned back. You bad so till you can't bad no man immigration know about you. So how you feel just get turned back. So that no work, that no make no sense because you have more than stamp than blood clot me in your passport and me start fly before you. You got the whole of Europe, you got England, you got Canada, me never see Canada, me never see England, me never see. You got somewhere we have some tower with tall like the blood clot. Me no know if you see, me never see them. I you see them and come back and tell me. The place them where you go on earth, go grace yourself. Me no go. And me better
So
off.
no it me
That
I
blood
say.
clot you.
And me too
Eh?
much time and me never run off, so me no understand.
Me better off
But me
than
just
you.
never question
Are
it.
you
Me
a
just
dance the
me no.
spice and a tour the whole world? Right now, if you Google danger, the amount of things your blood clots come up with, where you tell me say immigration, not the research assistant, you not do no wrong. All you do a work and broke up your blood clot self. Them no sister they for let
Mm-hmm.
you free. So me want to know what is going on. Eh?
Me did
You go
confused
Russia,
and me
you go
never
hard, but
understand. And me say, boy,
somebody
me just love
problem.
it. Me just love it. Me just love. Me not even. Me just love it. Then me not in a group no more, and then whole heap of things I reach me. Me did stress. Then baby, whole heap of stress. So I know I talk, but why you never come talk? Me did caught up in a too much things. Me never in a doubt no position for come talk about that, and that are no easy something to talk about neither. Remember the girl them in her ears, I tell her whatever too, because
General, I'm
everybody are
telling you,
going like they're
you see
innocent.
when you are go through it, me I go through it to all this time, you know, I true me not say nothing. While you are go through yours, me I go through it kind of bounce for me. Everything you go through, me I go through. Me might not go through it as hard as you because you really get it, but me I get backlash and me I go through and me I feel carry that every birthday, everywhere me go. Tell your sister, I true say this, all who never know say me in a team slice, I know say you usually dance the slice because a good little while now, you come out, Everybody I ring up back every minute to me. Other day me dey pan like me hear say Spice fuck your tall up. What the fuck do you know? Everything you know here like me tired down me go through it too. When me not even business about this whole thing, every minute them a calling me name, every minute, like let we breathe.
It stressed me. Me could have taken it, my cup just full. But then I go Western Union, one man a chat. But I thought the girl, I used to dance this, I used to dance this. Every turn me turn, it just
Janaya,
depan
you
me.
born,
I
he
thought the
born
girl
you,
fuck the man, the
he
girl
born
man,
you,
and me just
he
couldn't take
born
it no
you.
more. Me just couldn't take
Remember
it no
say
more
you happy
because
me sister, you know, he born you.
if I
Remember me
went
mouth
through,
one
but
Lego.
if I went the truth, me could feel so about it. Me can't hold no more. Me tired. Me could, and then the man attack different way. People are bash me. People attack me wicked and me ungrateful. Me just could
Janaya,
take it no more.
every minute people come to me and attack, boss say. Oh, boss, then yes, there are some folks. Every minute they will come and say, me no know, no, cause danger not tell me nothing, me no know them business, cause me not in a team size, so me will never know nothing till they talk and tell me. But at the end of the day, me feel bad every time people say, well, yes, I say, me say, no too enough. Me not even know if you say, me can't even cuss, cause me no know if you fuck the man yes I know. Me just believe you, and me still not know, because nothing not come to talk. You not talk, Spice not talk, me confused like me blood clot self, yeah. Nobody not talk. Me no know what to do more than just in the middle every minute just a cuss so. Me
Because
head a
nothing not
hot
there
me.
fi talk. Say, cause member say no, member say Spice. That's why I know say something just not right, but me can't put a finger. Cause member say Spice face the bad and in a wall nothing. If you do her something, she go contact, she go this, she go rub you. She no care, she go leg her mouth, and then people are paint her bad say. She this and that and everybody come round or whatever. I remember said the woman, me no know if no fake page me can nobody no say nothing, but member say she still never come publicly contact nothing bad when me ever do her because she know honestly I never done her anything. I mean and she never do me nothing when me know when me can't say he do me this what
Out
me
of the
know
map.
about.
What
What
you
me
know
know
of.
about.
Yeah, well, yeah. That are the
She never do me
correction
nothing
where you
when me
know.
know about for me come on social media come say that's a wicked because so him do me this and so him do me that. So it was we just the ear that them ear send me fuck her man. She remove me from the group chat and everybody just take time. And me I try reach out to her and me just not get no
Nah,
forward.
remember say upon your party in take out your group and I deal with upon your big birthday party, you know. You figure
Mm-hmm.
at the say start
Me
you
I
saw them
figured.
wicked. Upon your birthday, then start make everything tumble up. Me never see nobody wicked, so no so terrible. You could choose no other day if you fuck up your girl life. What a present. Upon the girl birthday, the woman no come at the girl party, the woman no not talk to the danger no know when to just imagine that feeling there. You just have a party, your birthday. Your boss not deal with you, your friend, your boss say everything. You don't know what you do. And then you hear things and then the girl them a chat and one bag of things are going. Oh, you feel you could have choose the other day, man, on the turbo, man. Me no like you, no, man. Really no like you. Me no like nobody feel no for this, man. No matter should have been, no man. No, like everybody who put on in this help in the with career, especially for the age, no can't hinder me, no. Remember, say me are the bull, buck and dopey conqueror. No matter what no hold on say and
I
fight
remember
say and dash say, uno can't hold me down, cause remember me determined. Remember for me blood clot trigger and me face so and me ever ready and me fight anything uno say and said come like nothing to me, but
for
the
sure,
angel
you say
is
me
the
not
more
even business
reserved
with
person.
them. Me just always I do me thing. Me
Because
just
you're too
always I find
reserved.
some way.
Because you're
No, I know
too
the reserve.
reserved.
I know the reserve. Me just focus on me goals. Me not have time for what go drain me. Cause remember say me and TC not thought we could agree. Me left the group a perfect opportunity. Me hear whole heap of things. Me hear whole heap of things. She say, for sure no say me no care. Me coulda come on social media. Me coulda make fake page and done TC Tanis TC. Me coulda come publicly. Me coulda just not stop jab at them. But I don't care. Me just never make for them.
No, but
Pop
you
for
never, I
them
not say
like me
Jabba,
business.
I not say Jabba, the member say no, Father God say, you have, there's a thing called defend yourself, you know, Jana. You see, when it comes to the test in a life, you defend yourself, you know, you feel always stand up for your right and defend for yourself no matter what. So, energy are going to come and things are going to talk, regardless, you can't stop that. But you see, your truth and your right and defending yourself, you always fi do it because you fight for your cause, dead for your cause, live for your cause. You must dead, you know. We must dead, you know. But you better you dead for your cause more than your blood clot come up on God land and just make them sink you just so, you know. You better you fight for your cause and fight for your right, you know, and stand up for your truth, you know. Sometimes you can't bother with this, you can't bother with that. Yeah, we all know about if you know say you're not trouble a girl and a girl want come in a things with you and a press your but man, fix him man. Find some way to fix them, not
Yeah,
sit down
but
and
it may
take
I
him.
try show you say it may I try show you say nobody them now face me with it. I be behind me back and I understand. I be behind me back and
Yeah.
then me no in a me there be about and mind my business. Me no there town. So me no have the time and the energy social media all the time for waste my time. Remember me as me tell you, me always I work hard for my pitney because you know say that is my main priority. Working hard for my pitney. So the time when I go take up myself and not have nothing to come on social media, me always
And
tired
then
because me
now
is a
when you
dancer. Me
well look how
dance,
they
me
want
come
to tear
in,
it down.
me
And then
just
now
a
your
live,
breed,
me
you
a
have
take
your
care of me
breed.
pitney.
Your breed, well, I know. Your breed, you put on your weight. Your baby weight. Everybody a class. Every minute them a class. Oh, they just belly big. Like you know one bumbo clot. They just take one
And me I
nigga and just
worse
bust
than
him
from
blood
promote a
clot
thing
belly.
spice.
Deja belly big,
And me no
Deja
look
this,
good
Deja
and me
that.
ever
He no look
tacky.
good. Every time a girl try to make a mark, no blood clot, rub you out. Uno what that me want know with uno, you know, me not like uno people when you people somehow, you know, people can't survive. Everything
And
a
me
little
tell you,
girl do,
and me
uno
tell you,
have a
and you see,
problem.